Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investments, and this is your stock market analysis for September 17th, 2011. All right, let's take a look at the market here. Really not a whole lot for me to say that I haven't said already. The market just continues to chop around in this channel here, this kind of rising channel, bear flag, so to speak. And prices actually managed to rally back 5 days in a row back to touch this 50-day moving average. So a pretty impressive rally, I have to say. Tagging this 50-day moving average. Now, the last time we were here, you see that it acted as resistance. So I think we're at a pretty critical spot because if the market can kind of base a little bit, maybe form a small flag, it has a good chance of breaking out above that 50-day moving average and either come back to retest this prior high or maybe even come back to touch the top of this channel. Okay, so there's a possibility for more bullishness to come if that's the case. However, on the other hand, since we closed in somewhat of a doji spinning top type of candlestick, it can also act as a reversal sign, especially seeing how it's fallen back to or coming back to its 50-day moving average. But the main thing is we want to see it close or break underneath the bottom of this candle here, so roughly around 120 on SPY, and if that's the case, then there's a good chance it can come back to the bottom of this channel. So either way, I think the market's pretty much on the fence currently, and we really have to see what's going to happen next week to find out a better direction of the market. But overall, trading wise, it's the same thing. There's really not a whole lot. And if you do trade, just keep it light and conservative because the market is just too uncertain right now as far as a direction, and especially being in this range here, it's really hard to predict or at least assume a certain biasness towards the market.